Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Genius Under the Table. Drama, family secrets, and a KGB spy in his own kitchen. How will Yevgeny ever fulfill his parents' dream that he becomes a national hero when he doesn't even have his own room? In the tiny apartment he shares with his ballet-obsessed mother, poetry-loving father, continually outraged grandmother, and safely talented brother, all Yevgeny has is his little pencil, the underside of a massive table, and the doodles that could change everything. The incredible author and artist recounts in hilarious detail his childhood during Cold War Russia as a young boy desperate to understand his place in his family. This book recently won the amazing Sydney Taylor Book Honor for its charming and comic timing, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for something funny and historical. The next book is Before the Ever After. For as long as ZJ can remember, his dad has been everyone's hero. As a charming, talented pro football star, he's as loved by the neighborhood kids as he is to his millions of adoring sports fans. But lately, life at ZJ's house is anything but charming. His dad is having trouble remembering things and seems to be angry all the time. ZJ's mom explains it's because of all the head injuries his dad sustained during his career. ZJ can understand that, but it doesn't make the sting any less real when his own father forgets his name. As ZJ contemplates his new reality, he has to figure out how to hold on tight to family traditions and recollections of the glory days, all the while wondering what their past amounts to if his father can't remember it. And most importantly, can those happy feelings ever be reclaimed when they're all so busy aching for the past? This book is written by one phenomenal author who has won countless awards, and this book is on next year's Young Hoosier list. The last book I'll tell you about is Kisses and Croissants. Mia has always known she's destined to be a professional ballerina. In fact, it's in her blood. According to family legend, her too-many-greats-to-count grandmother once danced for the Paris Opera and was painted by Degas himself. Her parents say it's just a fantasy, but to Mia, it's so much more than that. It's her fate. Mia is planning to spend a magical summer in France pursuing her dream, but as she pirouettes into Paris, she soon realizes it may be a bit more complicated than she hoped. For starters, there's her rival, Audrey, who will stop at nothing to show her up. There's her ballet instructor, whose impossibly high standards push her to the breaking point. And then there's Louis. Devastatingly, distractingly charming Louis. He's eager to show Mia his city, and Mia is more than happy to hop on his Vespa and wrap her arms around him as they pass the gleaming lights of the Eiffel Tower. Mia's summer was supposed to be about ballet, but there's a reason Paris is called the City of Love. This is the perfect Valentine's Day novel if you're looking for a sweet romance. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!